Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm educating the public on how to enable Community Federal Saving Bank. That is receiving account in the global payment service in Payoneer. Ensure you stick me to the end of the video recording. One importance of enabling Community Federal Saving Bank account is that is the only way that you'll be able to link your PayPal with Payoneer account. So ensure you stick with me to the end of the video recording. This is my Payoneer account. If you want to enable your community federal saving bank, you normally come to help. You come to support center. Once we come to support center, we have to choose two ways that we will be able. Either we will send Payoneer we'll send them a text, then they will reply at a later stage, or we will live chat them. So we will come here and we will come and come to the topic. When it comes to connecting PayPal to Payoneer, will come to contact us. When it comes to connecting PayPal to Payoneer, you always have to ensure that in your verified PayPal account, you link Payoneer as a bank. So basically, you'll be transferring cash from PayPal to Payoneer Community Federal Saving Bank. That is the bank. That is the only way. That is the only secure way to transfer your cash from Payoneer to PayPal. So we'll come here. We have two options to contact Payoneer. Either we live chat or we will send them a message. At this moment, due to COVID-19 delays, there are so much delays in callers. That one will not be working. So for today, we'll use the send message. Then for in the description link, you have a tutorial I have a tutorial where I've shown the way to live chat Payoneer in case you have a question. You'll have to wait for queue some time. So let us go back to our main topic. Our main topic was how to enable Community Federal Saving Bank, because our intention is to connect PayPal so that it may withdraw cash to Payoneer, by ensuring that PayPal is withdrawing cash to has linked PayPal Payoneer. I mean this. Step number 1, we want to ensure we enable Community Federal Saving Bank. The importance of it is to ensure we connect our PayPal to Payoneer account. What we'll be doing, basically, we want Payoneer to use PayPal to use Payoneer as a attached bank. And the bank that we'll be using is Community Federal Saving Bank. So we'll come here, our language we are using English. So we'll select our topic. Our topic is about to receive payments. Then we'll go to Global Payment Service. Then in Global Payment Service, we'll come here that we want to apply for a receiving account in another currency. That is what we'll be doing here. Then here we will come. So we will be applying for we'll apply for a receiving account in another currency. We'll come here to the question and say I need Community Federal Saving Bank added to my global payment service. Could you help, please? I want to link and transfer cash from PayPal to my Payoneer Community Federal Saving Bank. Then we'll be able to submit. After I submitted that, Payoneer got to me after 2 to 3 days. This is the email they got me. I got from Payoneer telling me, Payoneer customer care. It is a response. This is what I requested. I, Edward Karongo, under this account, kindly enable Community Federal Saving receiving account to my global payment service. I also had told them that I need Community Federal Bank added to my global payment service. Kindly assist. So once I told them that way, they told me, we are happy to inform you that new collection account has been assigned to your account. 2 new US payment service details have been added. So to view these, go to global payment service. Please follow these instructions. Go to Payoneer account, click receive, click on receive, then go to global payment service tab and select the relevant currency to view the details. So when we come to our, so this is the confirmation response that I got from Payoneer, telling me that they have enabled my community federal saving bank account. So when I come to receive, when I come to global payment service, to global payment service, I will find that they have told me that now I've received new USD account that I can use. This is the receiving account. This is the initial account that I had, and this is the one this is the account this is the Community Federal Saving Bank. It has the bank address, it has the routing number, it has the account number, and it has the beneficial name. For now, by this I'll be able to link my PayPal to Payoneer account. I will be doing this. I'll go to my PayPal account, attach a bank. The bank that I'll be attaching will be Community Federal Saving Bank. It will ask me to put the routing number, and it will also ask me to put the accounting, and the account type is checking. These are the details that I'll attach to my PayPal account, and by that will be good to go. So I have two tutorials that will be very relevant. If you want to link your PayPal to Payoneer account, I have a link in the description link. If you want to transfer money from PayPal to Payoneer account, I also have in the description link. I've attached a video, a tutorial, a link to a tutorial that will guide you. Ensure if you need any assistance, ensure you find me via my official email in the description link, njogukarongo@gmail.com. In case you appreciate my tutorials, I have my PayPal account in the description link where you can donate some funds for me to continue assisting people who have this problem of online payment, because sometimes you meet in case you need assistance from PayPal or Payoneer. Sometimes they become so stubborn and they take so much, several days. Yeah, thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording. This is the ACH network that is the Community's Federal Saving Bank. My tutorial today was ensure to apply for Community Federal Saving Bank, and I've shown you that I've got a response from Payoneer, and yeah, I will attach another link where I will be doing a live chat with Payoneer, where with Payoneer account, as I'm requesting them to add me a community, when I'm telling them that I need to transfer. When you come to the support center, when you submit your question, they'll tell you, thank you for contacting us. We review and reply to your email. In this the reference number, and when they are replying for you, this is the response. This is the response that they gave me after some time. The reference number, they were able to communicate, to get back to me. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording.